Sorry guys, look at this behind me. I am so not ready to leave this. It's about 70 degrees right now. It's sunny and there's palm trees. I'm going back to 30 degrees and hopefully not snowing. So got the famous backpack right there. I need to get this thing a name. We're gonna head inside. I paid an extra $7 for something that's not TSA pre, but it's supposed to be a faster security checkpoint. So let's see if that works out. My mic is driving me crazy. It keeps wanting to play music when I plug it in. Definitely am going to get my TSA pre before I start flying next year. Look at the lines over there. There's nothing going on. So we have to head over here where it's just like a mob of people. It says wait time is 24 minutes. So I guess I better get Sorry guys, made it through security. It wasn't that bad. It was worth paying the extra $7 for the short, what's it called, security shortcut. Basically just kind of makes you cut in line a little bit, but I'm definitely getting TSA pre before I fly again next year. It's like $85 and I think it's good for 5 years. So now I gotta hop on the shuttle. There's a tube right there behind me. Get to my gate. I got about 2 hours to kill, so I'm definitely gonna either get some coffee, get some food. Security wasn't that bad today. They had a dog out, so we didn't have to take off our shoes and do the strip down and all of that. But yeah, MCO is not one of my favorite airports to fly through. I've come down here before and flew into, what is the name? Sanford. So if you come down here, if you can hit the Sanford Airport instead, a lot less congested, get you in and out a little quicker. Yeah, MCO is just because Orlando is such a huge place to fly into, and there's always a lot of little kids, so security is always a bit of a challenge here. Alright, so I'm gonna head over to my gate, grab some food, and I'll get back with you guys soon. Alright guys, this is actually a rare occurrence for me. You got 40 through 49 that way, 50 through 59 that way, 30 through 39, I'm at gate 34. Usually I'm always at the last gate. But I'm gonna try to find me something to eat. There's a Ruby Tuesdays, a little food court. I might walk down towards my gate area, see if there's anything in there. All right, what is going on guys? So as you can probably tell by the hat and the hoodie that I made it back. I'm back here in Ohio. Do I want to be back? No. I'm not ready to be dressed like this again. It's Christmas Day. Getting off the plane, there's something that I realized that I don't like about the holiday season. It's just so phony. People, getting off the plane all happy and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, which, that sounds fine. Until you realize that's the same person tomorrow will be flipping you off on the highway. People that know me, I tell them all the time, yeah, I'm an a-hole, I know it, but I own it. Just, if that's who you're gonna be that person every day. Just don't fake it for one time during the holiday season. That's what I don't like. Just be who you are. So guys, I had a great time. Yeah, I would probably go back. Probably when it's less crowded, a little bit less traffic. But now, hey, happy holidays. Anyway, I'm back home and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Unfortunately, I probably won't be taking another trip until April. But I'll see if I can fit something in before then. All right, guys.